Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go! Starting from Monday, we can see that the price has reversed a little bit back down and reached 1.02669, and we have here a small bullish pin bar, but this bullish pin bar was not created right on the 1.02669 support area and demand zone, which would indicate that the price will continue to move up. So on a Tuesday, we can see that the price has tried again to reach higher levels, and also the price has broke above 1.03920, which is monthly and weekly and a daily resistance, and it is a supply zone where we can see that the price has found a lot of sellers pushing the price down, and when the price then reached again 1.02669 as support area. So on a daily time frame we can see that 1.02669 is a nice support and a demand zone where the bulls are pushing the price higher, and also where the bulls are protecting the price from falling further down. Then we can see on a Wednesday the price tried to reach again higher levels based on the Tuesday, a large week, but the price has stopped right on the resistance 1.03920, and then on a Thursday price reversed back down, where the sellers has closed the price below previous day open price, and also we have a week that was trying to reach again 1.02669 support area. On a Friday we can see that the price again has closed as a bearish candle, where the price tried to go up and reach 1.03920 resistance area, which is a supply zone where the sellers are pushing the price down. Based on this week we can see that the price has almost on the same open price and with the same close price, so it is some kind of indecision candle for this week, and we could see on a weekly time frame how this looks. When we change on a weekly time frame we can see that this candle is almost some kind of a bearish pin bar, but it is not perfect bearish pin bar because the price has not formed here at the supply zone with a large wick to the upside and also smaller wick to the downside. So this means that the price has a room to reach higher levels, and also the bulls have not lost their strength to push the price on higher levels. Let's return back to daily time frame. What we can expect in the next week. We can see that this area here is a demand zone where the bulls are protecting the price to fall down. We can see also that this area is a supply zone where are the sellers pushing the price down, and they are preventing price to reach higher levels. When we go slightly back here, okay, we can see that in the past this area from here up to here was a supply zone and also a resistance area for the price that was preventing the price to move to the higher levels from this indecision area here. Then we can see that the price has managed to reach higher levels here, and it is right now in this supply zone, which was in the past, but the price is still staying here, which represents a bull strength, and we could expect the price to move to the higher levels. But we can see here in this area in the past the price has found great support here and here that was preventing the price to move down and to broke this great demand zone. So here we can expect also a great demand zone from the bulls that will push the price to the higher levels. We can see that area from 1.02669 up to 1.03920 is a free area from the support and resistance where the price did not stall in the past for a long time. But now we have a price for a week that has stayed inside this area, which means this is an area where the bulls from here in the demand zone and the sellers in the supply zone are fighting to push the price in either of directions. So in the next week we could expect the price to reach again 1.09269 or a slightly bit down here 1.0227 around this level, because this is also a lower level where the price could find a greater support and a larger demand. And also we have here an uptrend for the price that will make a confluence of demand zone that will hold the price from falling down and then push the price again to the upper side on higher levels. Area here could be an area where we could find some kind of price action signal for the bulls and then go back up, reaching higher levels, which is a next level 1.05087, which is a weekly time frame target, which is easily possible because the price in this week has almost tried and reached this level. If the price returns back down, the support that will hold the price is 1.01368. If the price managed to go below this level 1.02000, it will be possible that we could find some kind of larger wicks and the price returning back up. But if the price continues to move down and closes below 1.1368, this will mean that the price has lost its momentum and we could find price here in a neutral area. But this is a less likely scenario. I am looking for the bulls entries, and I am thinking that the price will continue to move up around from this area here. On the upper side, we can see 1.05087 as a weekly target for the next week and also for the next 2 weeks. But we have here a monthly 1.06736 that, sorry, it's not that, it is 1.07825, which is a monthly resistance area for the price. This is less likely that we will see in this month that the price will reach, but anything is possible. But let's wait 1 week by week. In the past, we could see that if the price has managed to go above 1.03920, the next resistance area and the supply zone is here at 1.05825, where the price could not break easily to the upside, but it returned back down again, reaching 1.03920. So the price 1.03920 is a strong resistance, a supply zone, but we have also strong bullish momentum that is pushing the price up, and we have a confluence of support here that will support the price from falling down and to support to continue to move to the upside. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.